How to make a communication plan. Have you ever thought about what would happen if you found yourself in a situation where communication becomes critical? In urban survival, especially during civil unrest, having a solid communication plan can make all the difference. Let's break down how to create an effective communication plan that keeps everyone connected and safe. First, you need to identify a lead communicator. This is the person who will be responsible for sending out updates and information. Choose someone reliable and calm under pressure. Ideally, this person should not be directly affected by the emergency to maintain clear communication. Next, compile a list of important contacts. This should include phone numbers and details for all household members, close friends, neighbors, and emergency services. Don't forget to include alternative contacts outside your area. This way, if local networks fail, you have a relay point for communication. Designate several meeting places. Choose locations at different distances from your home. Start with a nearby indoor location, then an outdoor spot in your neighborhood, followed by an out-of-neighborhood location, and finally an out-of-town spot. Make sure these places are safe, easy to find, and known to everyone involved. This ensures that if communication devices fail, everyone knows where to regroup. Discuss transportation options for reaching these meeting spots. Consider all available modes of transportation, including walking, public transit, or private vehicles. Be mindful of individuals with disabilities or special needs to ensure everyone can travel safely. Establish communication methods. Decide how you will communicate during an emergency. Text messages are often more reliable than phone calls during network congestion. If available, use social media or messaging apps. Always have written copies of important phone numbers and meeting locations in case devices run out of battery. Teach everyone how and when to call emergency services, emphasizing that it should only be for life-threatening situations. Practice the plan regularly. Conduct drills to practice gathering at meeting points and using communication methods. Regular practice helps identify any gaps and builds confidence in the plan. Update the plan periodically. Review and revise your communication plan at least once a year or whenever there are changes in contact information, household members, or local conditions. Finally, prepare for communication failures. In situations like civil unrest, where networks might be down or unsafe to use, relying on prearranged meeting points and physical signals if possible. Consider alternative communication tools such as walkie-talkies or amateur radios if you have the skills and equipment. By following these steps, you can create a communication plan that supports safe and coordinated action during urban emergencies or civil unrest. This plan ensures that everyone knows how to stay in touch, where to meet, and how to respond even when conventional communication channels are compromised.